The second update this week is a change this year to the state sales tax exemptions for hurricane preparedness. I'll cover that change first, then I'll review the sales tax exemptions on back to school items. The former sales tax holiday on hurricane supply sales, instead of being for a defined period, will now become permanent. This became effective August 1st of 2025. Hurricane supplies gained a statewide sales tax exemption year-round in the budget that was passed this summer. There are some restrictions on size and quantity, so check out the official list. You can find that official list or find a link to that official list on our website, esterotoday.com. But let me spend just a minute or two with a little summary of what's included as permanent sales tax exemptions. Batteries, the normal standard size batteries, AA, AAA, C, D, the 6 and 9 volt batteries. Portable gas cans, 5 gallons or less. Portable generators, 10K watts or less. Waterproof tarps for 1,000 square feet or less. Ground anchor systems and tie-down kits, all are sales tax exempt. Sunscreen and insect repellent, life jackets, bicycle helmets, tax exempt. Smoke detectors, carbon monoxide alarms, fire extinguishers, sales tax exempt. So this is a list of what is covered. And on the Florida Tax Information publication, there's more information and specific things that are not covered with this exemption. Our website, Estero Today, has the details with a link to the above tax information publication sheet and also a link to a brief video that explains this. Now, on back to school tax holiday, consumers can purchase qualifying back to school supplies exempt from tax during the period from August 1st to August 31st. So back to school items are only exempt for a month. The above items, hurricane, are permanently exempt. During that monthly period, here are the back to school items that no taxes due on a retail sale. So for clothing, footwear, wallets, bags, handbags, backpacks, fanny packs, diaper bags with a sales price, any of these items with a sales price of $100 or less per item are tax exempt. Certain school supplies with a sales price of $50 or less, tax exempt. Learning aids and jigsaw puzzles with a sales price of $30 or less are tax exempt. Personal computers and certain computer-related accessories with a sales price of $1,500 or less when purchased for non-commercial home or personal use are sales tax exempt. The Florida Tax Information Paper, the TIP letter, also has more details, and they have details on items that are not eligible. For example, like briefcases and watches, cell phones, not exempt. Computer bags, surge protectors, correction tape, masking tape, printing paper. Printing paper is not tax exempt. You have to pay taxes on those things. Remember, the back to school tax holiday is only for a month of August, unlike the hurricane supply list, which is permanent. Thanks for joining us this week at Estero Today. I've shared a lot of information, but we hope that you have found that information interesting and helpful. If you would like to comment, you can email us with your comments and ideas for future podcast. Our email address is info, that's INFO, at esterotoday.com. Info at esterotoday.com. Produced by Engage Estero, this is your host, Mike Wasson, wishing you a good week and hoping you can join us next week for more news on Estero Today.